Hey, what's up guys? Today we'll unbox this really awesome graphic tablet that I got from Amazon, and let's just quickly unbox it. And this is the XP Pen graphic tablet. It is the Star03 version 2 pen tablet, and as you can see right now I'm just unboxing it. And now let's take a look at the box contents. But before that, let's see what's mentioned on the box. As you can see, let me just turn it, and these are some of the features that are mentioned right here. And now the sides, just the branding of XP Pen can be seen. Let's break this seal and just open it up. So first we have some protection. Let's keep that aside, and then we directly have the XP Pen graphic tablet, and then below that we have all the other accessories that we need to use it. And this is the graphic tablet itself. The dimensions or the active area is about 10 into 7 inches, which is real big and which is really adequate. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And now we have this packet in which we get the quick start guide and the actual pen. These are the nibs. We'll come to that later in the video, but as you can see, this is the holder of the pen itself. And now we also get a USB cable. And now let's just open this packet, and here as you can see the warranty card, and this also special greeting card is there. That is the quick start guide or the instruction manual in various languages, and here is the warranty card itself. It also has instructions to download the driver software for the graphic tablet on your laptop. And now finally we have the pen itself. So yeah, this pen is compatible with the tablet, and it has two buttons right here which we can use, and of course it is programmable. So it also has this branding of XP Pen, and it's a battery free stylus. And lastly, as you can see, this is how we can just place the pen on the holder. And now for the nibs, these are interchangeable, so we get additional 8 nibs which we can change it anytime. And then we have this cable, USB cable. Just one thing to note, that the other end is a micro USB cable, so that could have been upgraded to type C, but still this is fine. So now I'm just installing the driver software. As you can see, we can actually easily get that from the XP Pen's official website, and so the whole installation process was hassle free and I could easily download it. And now let me just show you some of the artwork, or in fact the first artwork that I made. So I hope you kind of enjoy this unboxing and setup video. And so now guys, let me show you the interface of Sketchbook. First of all, it's really user friendly, and now as you can see, I'm just toggling between layers. This was the first one, then I added some paint, and then it looked like this. Then I added some more detailing into it, and then finally the shadow. So yeah, this is how it all turned out to be, and that's the second sketch of Iron Man, and I hope you enjoyed. That was just the color palette, by the way, so without that I used. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And now you can see the final output also right here. And so guys, that was pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.